The Association of African Universities (AAU), the Pan-African Heritage World (PAHW), and UNESCO, under the auspices of the Government of Ghana and the African Union Commission, are organizing a special World Conference on Education and Restitution under the theme The Past, the Present and the Future, Afrofuturism and African Development. The aim is to reclaim and recontextualize African education, technology, politics, languages, histories, arts, culture, music, and spirituality toward a conscious effort of unification and rapid development of Africa. The sub-themes are 1. Rethinking education towards achieving African Renaissance. 2. Reclaiming and reconceptualizing African arts, culture, and heritage. And 3. Addressing the prerequisites for the implementation of the AfricaContinental Free Trade Area. The conference will bring together scholars, artists, political and economic decision makers, traditional leaders, civil society activists, professionals, and other practitioners from across the world to share the results of their research, collaborative work, and practices that squarely addresses the above-mentioned issues. The date is 30th August to the 1st of September 2022. The time is 12 o'clock GMT each day. The venue will be the Association of African University Secretariat in Accra, Ghana, and virtually via Zoom. Register for this conference with the link on your screen and email all your correspondences and inquiries to aautv@aau.org and copy ransford@aau.org. Join us. Let's together reclaim and recontextualize Africa's heritage.